say hi and update you guys on the CSG plants that I had received 2 months ago. If some of you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it down in the box below, the unboxing of the CSG Succulents. It's an online company. They also have an Instagram. You can follow them. It's CSG Succulents. Really nice people. Beautiful plants. Very well packed. I think that my video will speak for itself. The other, my unboxing. So I'll link that down at the bottom. And also, they have their own YouTube channel as well. I just wanted to update you guys on the plants because it's been about 2 months since I had these plants, and they're super healthy. No issues, no bugs, no nothing. These were indoor, some of them, and then when I got my greenhouse, I brought them out because I was concerned of that sliding door that's facing to the south is not getting enough light. But overall, they look awesome. They are so good. Let me find a good lighting, because the sun right now is kind of like sunset, so I don't know if you guys can see. So this one is called Echeveria Light Green. It's very pretty, and it's been doing so well. And one of my favorites is the Echeveria Azulita. It came with 3 little echeverias, and they've grown since, and they are beautiful. I want to say they might have been a little bit bluer when I first got them, but I know that succulents change colors for several reasons. Could be stress or also weather. I know that in the winter time some plants change color, and also when they start getting sun. So and none of those are negative reasons. Those are all good reasons to change color. Some people like to stress out their plants a little bit because they like their color, as long as, you know, they don't kill the plant. But overall, she is a beauty. Nothing wrong with that one. Then this one is Echeveria Violet Queen. She tilted on me a little bit, but that can be, I don't know if it's my dirt that I need to adjust it, or if she was looking for the sun. But this one is also a beauty. A very unique plant. It's not a plant that I've ever seen. Actually, let me go ahead and talk to you. Let me say that. So, the 3 that I just shown, they're not common plants that I would find at Home Depot. This is not, I've never seen the Echeveria Light Green. It doesn't mean that they're rare, but it's not they're not ones that I'm bumping into Home Depot, you know. The most common ones at Home Depot are Echeveria Debbie, the Echeveria Pearl Nunenberg, the Subsilis, Topsy Turvy, this Echeveria Lilacina, what else? Echeveria, what is this? I knew her name. Is that the Subsilis? Yes, this is the Subsilis, and that's the Pomadonis. So those are the ones that I see a lot. But I've never seen Echeveria Azulita. I've never seen the Violet Queen or the Light Green. Never seen them. So you can find some really nice plants at this website for really good prices. And sometimes, I know right now, I think if they're still doing it, you gotta check their website. They're doing a pretty good deal on like a box for several plants. You have to check it out because they're moving, I believe. This is just stuff that I read on Instagram, so I'm sorry that it's not like 100% accurate, but you guys should check out their website because I believe they're having a good deal right now because they're moving. So, and then another one that I've never bumped into Home Depot or Lowe's is the Hoarthia Cooperty. I did find a Hoarthia similar to this, smaller. You guys saw me plant it. But I mean, I was surprised to find that at Home Depot because I've never seen that either. And then very beautiful. This one I keep inside because I feel that can do well in bright light, because I told you guys that I do like looking at my plants, you know, inside my house too. So I'm trying to get a nice Horthia collection. Yeah, because I want to look at them. And I come out here, but man, it gets hot in here. I try to come out in the mornings or in the afternoons, you know, when it's already starting to cool down. Then this one I have seen, but not all the time. I have seen this one, and I lost obviously the stick because it's not there, but it is I think in the Graptovaria family. I can't remember the name, but if you watch my unboxing, you'll get the name to this one. It has a really pretty purplish pink color. Let me see if I can move it so you guys can see this better. I hope that you guys can see those. There you go. Look at those pretty colors. Very pretty. And then last but surely not least, another one that I have never ever seen. It's the Moon Glow Crassula. I've never seen this at any of the big box stores. Doesn't mean that they never have it. It's just not probably one of their common ones that they get. But anyway, it's really beautiful plant. I brought her out to the greenhouse because I felt that she might have been stretching a little bit because she wasn't getting enough light where I had her. Let's see if I can hold this without damaging any other of my pots. Hold on. Oh, look at her right here. So pretty. Such a cool looking plant. So guys, this is it. This is my update for the CSG succulent plants. Very happy. As you can see, they are doing well, and it's been 2 months. And go ahead and check their YouTube and check their online store, and also go ahead and check their Instagram. He's always there updating pictures. Okay guys, thank you so much. You guys have a blessed day.